तो हेलो एवरीवन, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो जिम एंड इंडोर गेम्स रूम दिस इज़ प्रेजेंट इन द हॉस्टल ओनली. सो यू कैन टेक ए टूर. टुडे इज़ like a holiday. Lot of people are outside. This video was shot before New Year. Little bit delay in uploading. So these are TT tables. You can borrow the bats from a different place and you can play here. Then this is the carom table. Again you have to borrow the carom things and the striker, and you have to play here. So lightning today is very less because nobody is playing, so every lights are off. Only one pair people are playing, so they have turned on their light and playing. So TT, you need to be bit professional. So let me take you inside the gym now. This is the gym, this is the register. You have to put in your name, room number, entry time and all. Then you have to go into the facilities. So you can see quite a very big gym, but when there are a lot of people, then it is not enough. I think every instrument we have one or two pairs, one pair at least we have. So here देखिए लिस्ट है क्या क्या हमारे पास अवेलेबल है यहाँ पर. So according to this list you can work out. So here mirrors. So these are the weights. I don't have any interest in gym, man. This is due to request from you guys. Okay, I don't even come to gym. I come to gym once in a week, that too for cardio and nothing else. I don't do weight and everything. I can't do those. Okay, so I don't even know the names of the machine. You can enjoy the view, and I am enjoying the mirrors.
बात कर रहे हैं, पेमेंट करना है.
सो व्यू का मज़ा लेते रहिए. मुझे इसमें कुछ इस बारे में ज़्यादा कुछ नॉलेज नहीं है, तो आपको कुछ बता नहीं सकता. इन सो दिस जिम इज़ इन द फर्स्ट फ्लोर. Can access it through lift for if we are living in upper floors. Any floor you can access through lift. It's on one corner of the hostel and you can see the outside view from that window. So I think a gym guy could understand if there is anything missing or something not good. You can comment. Okay, I think everything is perfect. Not perfect, I think everything is okay here. Seriously, I don't know names of this machine, so you can follow the chart and connect the dots which machine is what. Okay, I know these are for weightlifting, like weights, so I don't know which machine is this. So these are treadmills. I know these are treadmills. Treadmill is very famous in India, so these are treadmills. I know someone is working out. This is for biceps, triceps, I think, if I am not wrong. Here two badminton courts inside the hostel area only, inside the hostel lawn, so we can access that. This is the rope pulling. So this one is my favorite instrument. So this is a leg exercise cycle. We can do cycling here. These two are old instruments and this one is new instrument. I am going to show you. So you have different modes here, you can use those. सो जिम के बारे में एक आपको अच्छी बात बता दूँ, यहाँ पर अभी आपको क्राउड नहीं देखने को मिल रहा है, बट जब सारे बीटेक बच्चे आ जाएंगे तो आपको क्राउड देखने को मिलेगा। अभी आप रजिस्टेंस लेवल इंक्रीज डिक्रीज कर सकते हो आपके हिसाब से, फ़ैन ऑन कर सकते हो आपके हिसाब से इफ़ यू आर फीलिंग हॉट। तो जिम में तो गर्मी होगा ही, हम आते हैं जिम उसी काम के लिए। वी हैव टू out our sweat, we have to release our sweat as much as possible. So you can stop the program at any time and then you can start again. So this will also say how much calorie you have burned. I didn't understand the mechanism of these things, but this is not that difficult. If someone is going to gym regularly, he can access these. Basically this video is for gym persons. They can access everything here they want to work out, and same gym in the other hostels also, other boys hostels and girls hostel. And this is, I think, I do here cardio and had one everything. So this one I like too much. It works out every part, hand and leg of the body, so it covers every part literally. Like if you run here for 10 minutes, it will burn a lot of calorie of you. So you can start any program from here, hill, cardio, fat one, anything you can start. So I will select a program. So I have started some program. It shows I have started fat one. It shows around 10 minutes you have to run. In 10 minutes I can cover 3 or 4 kilometers here only if I go speed in low resistance level. And if you go with high resistance, you can maximum cover 1.52 depending upon your strength also. I am telling about my strength. So I can turn on the fan also. This is the thing here. If you stop cycling, the digital meter also stops. I think it is connected on battery. Then let me try this treadmill. Sometimes this treadmills work, sometimes it doesn't, but these are like now they are completely worked out. So we can start. Okay, quick start, it's not working. Quick start is not working. So I think we have a key, we have a safe key. Where is that key? Okay, that below thing. Okay, it will work now. So it shows for a 70 kg person. Okay, quick start. Now we can press start. Oh, it started, man. It started. Kilometer is very less, only 8 kilometers, so I have to increase it to 15 or 20 kilometers. Let's see how can I run. 19 kilometers I have did, and I'm running very fast here. So today no one with me, no groupie bro, anyone else, so I have to take everything. So I am walking on this. I think 30 seconds it's been. Let's see how treadmill goes. You can increase the speed up to 45. Once I tried 30 or 35. You can increase up to that or more if you can. So this is the thing about treadmill. As I don't know much about gym, so this video will be like a silent picture for you, all you guys, and other people who are not interested in gym. You can stay tuned to the end. I will share some interesting features of this area at last. Video is about to end. Another 1 minute I will take to show everything. So I will show the list again so that I could even gain some knowledge about the gym and you guys can gain. So we have Karen table. Oh, those are outside things. Table tennis board, then weighing machine, treadmill, elliptical cross trainer, cycle, dumbbell stand, weightlifting rod, weightlifting plates, dumbbells, EZ bar, twister, carom board stand, power press bench, pro style aborted, magnetic bike, multi press, pec fly, lat pull down, leg press, leg extension, functional training center, rope climber, and all those things. And this is the register. So please check the list. If we are not having anything, you can comment below. So those people who are playing, they also bored. No one is playing today. This is like a holiday day. Everyone is outside, so no one is coming to play. Other day you will find a lot of crowd, lot of gym enthusiastic will come to this area, and they will do their work. And a lot of table tennis players are also inside the campus. They also fill these tables. You can't even get an empty table when you come in other days. Today is a holiday, so nobody is here. Everyone is enjoying outside with their families. There, some of them went home. So this finishes our gym 2 video. Okay, let's keep a look on another track, another badminton track. So this is the view. We have two badminton tracks adjacent to each other inside the hostel, and a very good view. You have seen these things in my Instagram. I update the feeds on Instagram. You can go into my Instagram account and check different types of hostel sorts. So these two courts are adjacent, and you can play any on any of these. So gym is open till 8 p.m. in the night, 4 to 8, and in morning I think 7 to 10 or something, 7 to 10 or 11. And in night you can after 9 o'clock you can play the badminton in badminton court. This is all. Thank you very much.